Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Olympia SM3 on the bench, and we're going to replace this link right here. I got this link from a salvaged or a parts machine because it was missing on this one. So let's take the cover lid off this. And we'll show you how to replace this. Now, this link happens to be the one on the very edge, which seems to be most common. So it's that one right there, very edge. Happens on both sides, it seems like, but either they snap out of there somehow or something. Not even sure how they get out of there. But there's the arm right here, and that link goes in the bottom, the back hole right there, and then it goes in the link on the bottom too. We can get to both of these from the top. So what I'm going to do is finesse this link into the bottom hole first, into that bottom link. And let's see if I can do this on camera here. Okay, so still pretty limited access, but should be able to get this in here. I'm going to move these other arms out of the way, I think, right here. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, so it's in the bottom link. I'm just going to let it dangle there for a second. Hopefully, can get it to, there we go. So now I'm going to take a spring hook from this side, I think, and grab that link, the top part. Oops, just missed it. Okay, got it now, my spring hook. So now this hole here, you just can't put it in there. It won't fit. The angle is way off. But if you take a T-bender here and bend this link the appropriate way, which is this direction, like that, you can actually force it in. It just went in just like that. So I got it forced in. Then you got to, oops, you got to rebend it back before it falls out like it just did. So let's try it again. Okay, so there it is. And then I'm going to flex bend this lever until it pops in the hole there. Okay, it's in there now. Push it. There. It's in there now. I'm going to straighten this lever arm back out like that, and it's in there. So let's try it. There she goes. So that's pretty tricky, but it can be done. And so what I did was I flex bent this lever here just a little bit so I could able to get that link in place. It looks like it's bent a little bit to the side here. I'll just straighten it out a little bit like that. And that should do it. Alright, that's a little trick to getting those, especially the ones on the ends. You can do this too. If you get here toward the center, there's not enough room to bend that arm, to flex bend that arm. You'd have to pull the fulcrum in here and pull this whole lever out to get it connected. But these ones on the end, you can do that little trick and get those in. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.